A lot of things play a role when it comes to looking expensive and elegant, especially embodying the behavior of someone who looks like this. Good news is, looking expensive is not expensive, and being elegant is quite simple. Clothing and style. In order to create fancy and elegant appearance, your outfit's picks are crucial, so here are 4 tips to elevate your elegant look. First, you need to invest in the basics of every wardrobe. These are white tee, classic jeans, neutral blazer, white and black dresses, a white button-down, and some cardigans. All of this are essential because you can create different fits with them. And most importantly, if you use the right accessories, you can give the expensive, elegant look you desire. Classic outfits. If you don't know where to start, one quick tip is to look for inspiration on Pinterest. Choose the one you like and imitate it with the clothes you have. It doesn't have to be exactly the same. You just need to give off the elegant, expensive vibes. Colors. Colors have a huge impact on how your outfits looks. You can have designer's clothes on, but it doesn't mean you look elegant. Your clothing should be focused on neutral colors like white, beige, black, dreamy pink, and olive. Footwear. Footwear is a significantly part of looking expensive and elegant, so you should really choose quality materials and the next types of shoes. Loafers, slide sandals, pumps, flats, and mules. Accessories. If you know how to combine the right accessories, you will have a plus on your look. Choosing quality over quantity and minimalism are key to making good use of accessories. Hairstyle. Elegant hairstyles are known for simplicity and the fact you can use them for literally any casual or for formal occasion. You can try a low bun, easy twist, crown braid, half up, half down, ponytail, or you can go for natural hairstyle. Now here's some timeless inspo for curly hair girls. Makeup. One advantage of expensive, elegant looks is how simple it is to achieve it, especially when it comes to makeup. Natural makeup enhances your natural features. It's really simple and plays a big role whether you look elegant or not. That's why you should know how to differentiate, like you can see here. Here's some inspiration for elegant-looking makeup. I'll leave a link in the description of a tutorial video for this kind of makeup for you to follow. Behavior. You can look expensive and elegant, but as I said in the beginning, you also need to have the behavior of someone who looks like this. But don't worry, it is not hard. Elegant people are eloquent. They speak confidently and smoothly, whether chatting one-on-one or in front of a group. They choose their words carefully, understanding the impact of genuine conversation. If you want to achieve this, you should invest time in your education. Learn about culture, business, modals on the table. Be empathetic with other people. Have gentle movements and moderate your voice tone when speaking. Remember that looking expensive and being elegant doesn't cost a lot of money or requires too much effort. Just remember the basics of minimalism, combination, details, and educated attitude towards other people.